Hey there friends, and welcome back to Make Your Money Thrive. My name is Christina, and today I'm going to be doing a cash counting in my cash envelopes so that I'll be able to do my mid-month review and see how my sinking funds are doing and what I might want to put towards them for the rest of the month. So let's jump right into it. I have here in front of me my Money is Thriving budget planning workbook, and I'm just going to be using this notes page on the back of my mid-month review sheet in order to list out how much cash I have in each of my cash envelopes. So I'm going to start with this binder here because it really doesn't have very many sinking funds in here. I have some savings challenge envelopes in here. But that's it. The only sinking fund I have in here is my emergency fund sinking fund, and I only have $1 cash in my emergency fund right now in my envelopes. So let me go ahead and write that down. Then I'm going to grab this binder, which has some longer term sinking funds and just a couple of different things in here. So I'll start with credit card here. And I do need to make sure that I get my cash sorted. Let me know in the comments, do you like having the larger bill on the top or the smaller bill on the top? I like doing the smaller bill on top because that's just what makes sense for my brain, but I know that a lot of people who do cash stuffings and all of that on YouTube put the larger bill in front. Let me know what you like to do. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, $85 in credit card. Next is new car. Get this all sorted out. So in new car, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92. So 692 in new car. So then in taxes, I have 1, 20, 40, 45, 50. 150 in taxes. And then these are my expense categories, so I don't need to count those. Next, let's check out this binder and see what we might have in here. So I have some cash in vacation and zoo trips. Okay, so vacation, get this sorted. In vacation, I have 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So $230 in vacation overall. And this will help me to figure out what I have and what I can kind of allocate to some of my subcategories for my sinking funds, which I will be doing in a video here soon. Okay, so let's see what we have in zoo trips. All right, so I have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. $115 in zoo trips. In my kiddos category, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 11. $111 in my kiddos envelope. Then in my category, oh, this is already in order. Nice. I have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, $105. All right, and then let's do this one. We've got special occasions next. And nothing in the envelope overall. Why is this like this? I don't think it's closing good. Uh-oh. Oh, that's faulty. I need to get a new one. That's faulty, but I'll look into it. All right, so under special occasions, I have some cash here in my kiddo's birthday. And I have 10, or $5, 10, 11, 12, $13 in my kiddo's birthday. So, and then holidays, I think I just have $40 because I've only stuffed this once. Yeah, I have $40. Okay, and then last binder is this one where I have my fun money envelope, which has some cash in here. I have 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, $60 in fun money, which I definitely need to hold on to because I'm hoping to take my kiddo to see the new Dog Man movie when it comes out. As long as he is feeling up to it. 60. And then I also have gifts in here that has a little bit of cash. It says it has $10. All right, so that gives me the amount that I have in each of my sinking funds at this time. And that'll be really helpful for when I'm doing my mid-month review and take a look to see how I'm doing towards the goals that I set for the month of what I wanted to put into each of my sinking funds and the remaining income that I'm expecting so that I can make a plan for the remaining money that I expect to receive from now until the end of the month. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you put a like on it and don't forget to get subscribed. I would absolutely love to have you here. And just wanted to say a big thank you to all of my new subscribers who have joined. I'm really excited about the rate at which this channel is growing and just connecting with all of you because you all seem just so nice and positive, and it's been fun. And I have definitely missed the budgeting community. This is not my first time doing a budgeting channel, and I've missed this community because there's just such great, positive, and amazing people here. So thank you so much for being here, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye.